Now, what about find the derivative of sine 2x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1? So this one is also one function in another function, because you have a polynomial function inside the trigonometric function. Then you're going to have chain rule. Chain rule. So what you're going to let your u is, you're going to let your u be the polynomial function, because that is the one inside the trigonometry function, right? So we're going to let u is that. So u is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1. In the meantime, just find u prime. So u prime going to be 4x plus 3. And now our function now will become f of x equals sine u. Then what is the derivative of sine u? So f prime of x going to be, we know the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So derivative of sine u is cosine u, but because it's a chain rule, so we're going to have to multiply u prime. Okay, and that will give you cosine. Now we're going to replace u by 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. And multiply the u prime is 4x plus 3. Okay, and we don't want to leave our answer like this, because if you leave the answer like this, many of the students may think that we will take the 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 times 4x plus 3. That is confusion, okay? So it's better to rewrite it and bring the 4x plus 3 to the front of the cosine. Plus 1. All right. Now, same thing for example 5. I have the power function x to the power 5 inside the cosine function. So I'm going to let u to be my power function, which is x to the power 5. U prime will be 5x to the power 4. Now, my f of x going to be equal to cosine u. And derivative of cosine u is what? Derivative of cosine is negative sine. Derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. So we're going to have negative sine u, but because this is a chain rule, so we're going to have 2 times u prime. And now we have negative sine. Everywhere we see u, we replace that with x to the power 5 and u prime by 5x to the power 4. Okay, so again, avoid confusion. We're gonna bring the 5x to the power 4 to the front, because there's a common mistake that people may do, 5x to the power 9. Okay, so I'm gonna bring that to the front and 5x to the power 4, sine x to the power 5. Okay, so that is the answer for cosine x to the power 5. Similarly for I don't think this one. For this one, okay. So this one, same thing. I have 2x cubed inside the secant. So I'm gonna have less u is 2x cubed. And what is my u prime? My u prime gonna be 6x squared. Now I'm gonna take the derivative. So f of x will be secant u. Then what is f prime of x? So derivative of secant x is secant tangent, secant x, tangent x. So derivative of secant u is secant u, tangent u. And of course, we have to multiply u prime. So replace everywhere we see u by 2x cubed. So secant 2x cubed times tangent of 2x cubed. And don't forget 2 times u prime, which is 6x squared. Okay, so if you want, if you want is to multiply 6x squared to the front at the beginning, it's fine. But now we're gonna rearrange this 6x secant 2x cubed times tangent 2x cubed. All right.